Hey guys, it's Brandon Rodriguez, aka your mom's favorite pizza boy, aka the Workman's Pomp, and today I'm back at it again with a follow-up to the Faith Integrity oil base. This is the one that I'm sure everybody's most interested in because the water-based stuff is kind of the big deal, and that is the Faith and Integrity Cream Pomade. This is an unorthodox style pomade. Well, I'm like wanting to get into the ingredients, but the reason this is unique is this is a long-lasting, good holding product that has easy restylability, and it's also Faith and Integrity's first kind of venture outside of oil base. So anyways, let's get right into it. It's in a 4-ounce jar. It's got a different colored label. I think I said this in my last review, but they switched up from the tins to these kind of like jar things. I really like the looks of this. I like just the style of it. I just think it's really sharp altogether. The ingredients are distilled water, shea butter, beeswax, polysorbate 80. There I go saying something wrong. Soy wax, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, liquid Jamal plus, and fragrance. So basically, you're going to be getting your hold from the beeswax. The shea butter kind of gives it its slickness and takes a little bit of the edge off. Same with the avocado oil and the sweet almond oil, and the soy wax is also going to give you your hold. So this is a waxier product. When you open this stuff up, you'll see it's kind of like that white consistency. Scoopability, you got to put some pressure into it, definitely. And breakdown on this stuff, it's the same way. For me, I've noticed that it breaks down really smooth and creamy, but the top layer might be a tiny bit gritty. So don't be like discouraged if you go on the top layer and there's some stuff that might be a little bit harder to break down. Most products have that, that are kind of like these unorthodox style. And you'll notice, it's kind of like a shinier looking breakdown, but it broke down to nothing. There is nothing on my hair or nothing on my hands. So scoopability is easy, breakdown is easy. If you do find any sort of grit in there, like something like this, there might be a little piece, just break it down. It breaks down to nothing. Really easy to do. Application is really easy too. You'll see, putting this stuff in my hair already, that there's a little bit of shine going. Oh, and I forgot to talk about the scent on this. The scent is pina colada. At least that's what I get from it. And it's not super aggressive. It's got just a kind of a Swedish type coconut scent. Really nice, really refreshing. Definitely going to be good for the summer too. If you're looking for a summer pomade. Slicking this stuff back, you can see it wants to grip down really easy. I like this stuff. For waxier products, it stays pretty well. I noticed endurance-wise, the sides might start to pop up a little bit here and there, but if you know that you have shorter sides and that you have an issue with that, you can definitely apply some more. But slicking it back is really easy, and you can see it's one of those products that kind of goes into your hair. It feels really nice and thick, but it's not like pulling on your hair. Those are the type of products that I like the most because you feel like you have something in your hair. You feel like you're combing something in your hair, definitely. But overall, it's not overly aggressive. But you definitely you can see, like when I pull it, you can see that my hair is moving, and it's just not like there's some density to it. I'm your density. Oh wait, your destiny. Sorry, crappy Back to the Future reference there. Styling with this stuff is easy too. I'm going to pop it up in the front with the Afro pick. You can get some good volume. See, I got some nice, you can get a nice loose look with this, with like a natural to medium shine. You can get like just a kind of, I'm just showing you right now, you can get a pomp with this stuff. See how I'm getting kind of like a nice round pomp going, like kind of a loose pomp style is what I did with the pick. Tucking the sides in like that. So it's easy to get easy to get height and some texture with this stuff as well. But you can also do something like this, where you just pop it on over and you just have kind of like this, I don't know, business comb over. I don't know all the terms, you think I would, but everybody has their own kind of like idea of what it should look like, what it should be called. But overall, I feel like styling using this stuff, it's really nice. I definitely feel like if there's something I had to compare this to, it kind of reminds me of the OG nostalgic stuff, in that when you wash it out, your hair feels nice and soft and it feels really good. Not that the current, you know, nostalgic stuff doesn't do that, but this stuff feels really nice and soft in the hair. It's easy to style. My only complaint is that for me, the endurance starts to taper off at the end of the day. So for me, I find myself wanting to layer this stuff, but if you're somebody that likes a nice medium firm holding product that lasts for the majority of the day and is really good, I would try it. See, you can see my back side is kind of coming up. That's because I didn't layer it. But if you layer the products in, layer the product in, this product in, or products in general, you'll get more hold. So that's why I say kind of like a medium to firmish, because you can get the higher end of a medium or the lower end of a firm with this stuff. So overall, what do I think about it? Well, I think it's pretty solid. I like the scent. I like the breakdown. I like the slickability. It's basically a really good endurance tapering off unorthodox water base that lasts for the majority of the day, restyles really easy, and gives your hair a nice natural shine, but isn't overly greasy looking. Everything in my hair looks like a lot darker than it is because my hair is really dark, but this will give you like a natural to medium shine depending on how you use it. So what would I give this stuff? I would give this a 4.4 out of 5. This is a great pomade. If you guys are in the market to try something new and definitely support a new company that's out there, I would definitely give this a try. I know that he does custom scents here and there, but you know, like I said, if you guys like trying new stuff, I'd give this a shot. It's kind of like that perfect middle ground for me. I like it. I like to restyle my hair and stuff like this. So it's not, it feels like you have something in your hair, but it doesn't feel overly aggressive. It doesn't feel so light that it feels like you have nothing, but it doesn't feel so heavy that it's like ridiculous. Endurance is just about right. Wish it was a little bit more, but you can get that with the tapering. You can get that with the layering. I'm all over the place today. And anyways, yeah, it's just a good product overall. I really like it, and I'm happy that I got to try it, and I'm going to continue to use this, honestly. Also, you guys can use the code Workmans for 10% off your order. I will say I bought this on my own accord, but, so this isn't a paid review, I'm giving my honest opinion on it, but I did get a code, so feel free to use it. I mean, it doesn't hurt, right? Okay. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and let me know if you tried it, let me know what you think of it, and have a good one.